everyone, my name is Karen Davis and I am the wolf curator here at Wolf Park. So wolves do live in packs. Their packs are generally family units, so it's going to be mom, dad, the pups. A wolf pack, generally speaking, has one litter of puppies a year. Now they could have more than one if they've got great resources, but the whole pack takes care of the young. So mom starts out in the den, and then even the other females will come and help nurse those babies, and then even the males will help. They'll regurgitate, and so they need to feed those babies. And in that first year of life, the puppies have to learn how to hunt. So even at 5-6 months of age, they're running with a pack. They have no idea what they're doing. So that pack has to take care of them or they won't survive. So they are very much a family unit that is important for their survival, whether it's hunting or whether it's taking care of young. So if you go out into Yellowstone, where they have larger packs, where they're hunting things like bison and elk and moose, you're going to have packs that might be 12 to 24 animals. That might be mom and dad, and then some yearlings, and maybe even 2-year-olds, and then the puppies. So that's going to be a bigger pack. But if you go into the Great Lakes region, where they're hunting white-tailed deer or beaver, which are much smaller, you're going to have a much smaller family unit. So the complexity of that family unit is going to vary. And those packs are really important for bringing down the prey, because wolves mainly hunt large ungulates. Okay, so that would be elk and moose and bison or deer. And so they need other members of the pack to bring that down. They go for the weak, sick, and the injured, but they can't do it just one wolf after the large prey. They're going after the large ungulates, because they can eat, up to about 20 percent of their body weight. So a 100-pound animal, that's 20 pounds in one sitting. Wolves will supplement when they can't get an ungulate. They'll eat beaver, they'll eat rabbits, anything that's in a large quantity. They might they might even eat blueberries and things like that. There's some recent evidence. We used to think that they didn't eat any fruit at all, but they do have a sweet tooth. We found that with our wolves here, that they have a sweet tooth. It generally goes right through them, but they may get some vitamins from the blueberries and grasshoppers and things like that, but they couldn't subsist on that. Your average wolf size, and again, which wolves wear is always the question in any of this, because the average male is going to be 90 to 110 pounds, but if you go further north, they're going to be bigger. The females, are going to vary for most of the species and be somewhere between 75 and 85. All right, so how can you help the wolf and help the wolf survive? Basically, there's a number of different ways that you can get involved. So educating people is one way, getting involved in the education. Supporting facilities that do education, research, and conservation, like Wolf Park. If you're wanting to be more proactive, you can get into Defenders of Wildlife. They help with litigation to support the wolves. So basically, the thing is, get involved, educate yourself, educate others, and have fun.